Imagine waking up in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by mountains or maybe right next to the ocean, and your home on wheels looks straight out of the future. That's exactly what people are losing their minds over, the 2026 RV camper that's taking the world by storm. It's not just another RV, this is basically a luxury apartment that drives itself, and once you see what's inside, you'll totally get why everyone's obsessed. From the outside, the design is absolutely stunning, sleek metallic curves, futuristic LED trims, and those aerodynamic panels that make it look more like a spaceship than a camper. It's built for adventure but screams luxury. And the moment you step inside, you'll realize this isn't your typical cramped RV, it's a smart home on wheels. As you enter, the first thing that hits you is the space. The interior automatically expands with its slide-out sections, giving you almost double the living area in seconds. The floor is lined with eco-friendly bamboo wood, the lighting adjusts to your mood, and the panoramic windows bring the outdoors right into your living room. Whether it's sunrise in the desert or a starry night in the forest, this RV gives you front-row seats to nature's best views. Now here's where it gets even crazier, the tech inside this camper feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. You get a fully voice-controlled system that manages everything from temperature and lights to your entertainment. Just say, movie mode, and the hidden 65-inch OLED screen glides down from the ceiling, blinds close automatically, and surround sound kicks in. Yeah, it's that cool. The kitchen is surprisingly high-end for a mobile home. Think induction cooktops, a built-in espresso machine, a smart fridge that tracks your groceries, and even a dishwasher. And when you're done cooking, the dining area transforms into a workstation or an extra sleeping zone with just a tap. Speaking of sleeping, the bedroom is pure comfort. A full queen-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and even a stargazing glass roof right above you. Imagine falling asleep while watching the night sky, priceless. The bathroom doesn't disappoint either, rainfall shower, heated mirror, and yes, a washer-dryer combo hidden in the wall. And if you're wondering about power, this RV runs on a hybrid solar-electric system. It can charge itself during the day, meaning you can stay off-grid for days without worrying about running out of juice. The solar panels on the roof adjust their angle automatically to capture maximum sunlight. This thing isn't just made for traveling, it's made for freedom. No hotels, no schedules, no limits. Just you, the open road, and a rolling home that feels like a dream. So yeah, it makes sense why everyone's talking about it. The 2026 RV camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. Whether you're an adventurer, a remote worker, or just someone craving escape, this camper turns every destination into home.